In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks on Monday.com. If you find yourself recreating the same tasks every day, every week, or every month, setting up automations will save you a lot of time and help keep your workflows consistent. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can set it up once and let Monday.com handle the rest. First, make sure you're on the board where you want your recurring tasks to appear. At the top of the board, look for the Automate button. This is usually represented by a small lightning bolt icon. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Automation Center, where you can create rules that tell Monday.com what to do and when to do it. Next, you'll want to create a custom automation. In the Automation Center, look for the option that says Create a Custom Automation and select it. This allows you to build a rule from scratch instead of using one of the pre-made recipes. Custom automations give you more control over exactly how your recurring tasks should behave. Now it's time to set the trigger, which is what tells Monday.com when to run this automation. Choose the trigger that says something like every time period. This is where you specify the schedule. For example, you can choose to run it daily, weekly, or monthly. Take a moment to think about how often you really need this task created, and set the timing accordingly so you don't overwhelm your board with unnecessary items. Once your trigger is set, you'll define the action, which is what you want Monday.com to do at that time. Common options here are create an item, create a group, or notify someone. For recurring tasks, create an item is usually the most helpful, but you can combine it with notifications if you want reminders sent to specific people. After choosing the action, you'll define the details of the item or group that will be created. This is where you specify things like the task name, who it should be assigned to, the default status, and which group on the board it should land in. Try to be as clear as possible with the name and status, so when the task appears, everyone knows exactly what it is and what to do next. When everything looks good, click Create Automation to activate it. From this point on, Monday.com will automatically create your recurring tasks based on the schedule and settings you just configured.